Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to change lock screen picture and wallpaper on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Simple and easiest way from my laptop or desktop. I would like to change my lock screen. What I have to do here? So just go to start menu and just go to settings option. Once you click a settings option, so there are plenty of settings will be available in Windows 11. So first and foremost, I would like to show this picture. This is my personalized picture, so I want to change this one as a lock screen. What I have to do here? Just go to your settings option in your Windows 11 or 10. So here there will be a personalizations. Just hit the button personalization. So there will be plenty of options will be available. So you can choose according to your needs. Just scroll down, you will have your lock screen image and app animation. Just click the button, so automatically it will move into lock screen. So you can personalization of your lock screen. What you have to do here? So here the recent images will be there, so you can choose a Windows Spotlight or picture or slideshow. So everything will be available. You can choose according to your need. I choose a picture, so choose a photo will be there. Just browse the photo, so it will direct you to the downloads option. So I just click it for the download, and my personalized picture is this. This I can choose and choose the picture. So once I choose, automatically it will see here the magic will be happening over here. So simply I can able to have my get a fun fact and tips. If you want, you can enable this option. And this lock screen status, for example, lock screen has a weather and more, or mail or dev home or calendar. If you want, you can choose and you can have a fun. So that this is a simple and easiest way. If you want to remove the picture, just choose someone, automatically it will remove. So simple and easiest way I can personalize my image so that it will be easy to have access for the lock screen option. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.